Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Before starting the video, I request you all that kindly subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get more videos notifications. In previous videos, we learned introduction of Java, creation of Java, history of Java, Java applications, features of Java, and how to download and install JDK. In this video, we will create the Hello World program. Every program starts with this program, so we will also create our first Java program with Hello World program. Let's understand and then create our first program. Java Hello World program. Creating a Hello World program in Java is not a single line program. It consists of various other lines of code. Since Java is an object-oriented language, so it requires to write a code inside a class. Let us look at a simple Java program. Let's understand what above program consists of and its key points. Class keyword is used to declare class in Java. Public, it is an access specifier. Public means this function is visible to all. Static, static is again a keyword used to make a function static. To execute a static function, you do not have to create an object of the class. The main method here is called by JVM without creating any object for class. Void, it is a return type, meaning this function will not return anything. Main method is the most important method in Java program. This is the method which is executed, hence all the logic must be inside the main method. If a Java class is not having a method, it causes compilation error. String args, this represents an array whose type is string and name is args. We will discuss more about array in Java array section. System.out.println, this is a function to print anything on the console like printf in C language. Steps to create, compile and run our first Java program. Step number 1 is open a text editor and write the code. I will use the Notepad++ as a text editor. Class name hello, inside the class we create a main method, public static void main method string args. We'll create a system dot out dot println method. Hello world program and last semicolon. Step number 2, save the file as hello.java. save the file, save inside the core Java program folder, name it hello.java. Our program is saved. Step number 3, open command prompt and go to the directory where you saved your first Java program. In the file menu, open cutting folder, cmd, this is our folder. Step number 4, type javac hello.java and press return, means enter key to compile your code. This command will call the Java compiler, asking it to compile the specified file. If there are no errors in the code, the command prompt will take you to the next line. javac hello.java. There are no errors in this program. Step number 5, now type java hello on command prompt to run your program. Type java hello, enter. Here's the output. Step number 6, you will be able to see hello world program printed on your command prompt. So guys, if you like this video, press like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, click bell icon to get more videos, and comment and share to the fans. Thank you.